This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Epic account is verified with email and phone so changes won't trigger locks. Once done, make sure you have a payment method and billing address for the new region. Epic uses those to validate location. You'll also want to check whether the game or content has regional restrictions or different pricing, because taxes and availability can vary. Start the change now to avoid repeated authorization steps and make the transition smoother for purchases and downloads. You'll now update your account settings, edit the billing address to the target country, and add a local payment method if needed. Once those fields are saved, make sure to clear your Epic Games launcher cache or browser cookies and then sign out and back in. This forces Epic to reevaluate region data. If you use a VPN, disconnect it. Epic detects IP mismatch. Also, check launcher language and store currency. Changing those helps reflect the new regional storefront and available content. You finish by confirming your store currency, licenses, and subscriptions now match the new region. Check recent purchases for correct pricing. If Epic blocks the change or locks the account, submit a support ticket with proof of new address and payment. Be concise and factual. One key troubleshooting tip: disconnect any VPN and wait 24 hours before retrying, since IP propagation and anti-fraud systems can delay changes. If problems persist, escalate via Epic support with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.